Hello friends, I Kundan Kumar Singh welcome you all in this Mahamana Education Hub. Today I'll tell you how to crack AFCAT exam. Friends, if you are a graduate and want to join armed forces, especially Indian Air Force, right, as an officer, so you have to take AFCAT exam. AFCAT exam, which means Air Force Common Admission Test, which is going to be held on 25th of February 2018. Friends, before this exam was used to be held offline, but this time it is going to be held online, right? Earlier there were no charges for application, but this time there are 250 rupees is being charged by Indian Air Force. Friends, this is an exam which is conducted by Indian Air Force to take officers into their forces, right? So I'll tell you in brief what is AFCAT exam, what kinds of questions are going to be asked in this, and how to crack this exam. Friends, there are total 100 questions and each question carries 3 marks. Time given is 2 hours, right? And the questions comprises of English, the second one is GK and current affairs, the third one is mathematics, and the fourth one is reasoning. Now, the number of questions in English are 25, GK and CA are 25, and in mathematics we have 18 questions, and in the reasoning we have 32 questions. Okay, so it is total 100 questions which comprises 3 marks each. It means the total test is conducted for 300 marks. Okay, so if we see the previous data or previous cutoff, so we find the last cutoff was 160, but since before there were no charges for it and the test was being conducted online, so the cutoff was quite more, but this time there are chances, number of applicants also has decreased this time. Okay, so the number of applicants probably is 2 lakhs plus this time, and the number of students who are going to be selected in the written exam are almost 10,000 plus this time. Okay, 10,000. So I'll tell you how to crack this exam. Okay, so basically English portion is said to be quite tough, right, which comprises basically comprehension, errors, spelling, idioms and phrases, fill in the blanks, synonyms and antonyms, right? In the GK and CO portion we have history, geography, civics, politics, current affairs, environment, general science and defense. Okay, now in the mathematics we have decimal, fraction, time and work, average, profit and loss, percentage, ratios and proportions, simple interest and time and distance. In the reasoning we have basically logical reasoning, and it comprises of verbal and non-verbal. In the verbal you will be very easy with those, but in the non-verbal we have a little difficulty in that. Okay, so there is one kind of non-verbal reasoning which I find difficult, and I'll tell you how to solve this. There are few kind of figures like triangle, circles, rectangle and square. Okay, and the problem is with a dot. We have few numbers of dot in this. So firstly, how to solve it? we must make number of dots given in the figure one by one. Okay, then we count where dot is lying. So suppose this is our first dot, and we'll count that it is lying in the circle and triangle. So we'll write circle and triangle. Okay, and in the next it is lying in the triangle and rectangle, triangle and rectangle. Okay, and in this it is lying in triangle and square, triangle and square. So in the figure which has been given in the options, we will see that which figure satisfies this option. Likewise, if the figure where we will find circle as well as triangle, like circle and triangle like this, and then circle and square, triangle and square, so triangle and square, and then triangle and rectangle, triangle and rectangle. So this kind of figure we'll find in the options, and then this would be the correct answer. Okay, so friends, if you know 50 questions very correctly, just do it, and there are no chances, there is no need to take chances for next question which you do not know. Please do not touch the question you are not confirm about. Okay, so in this way, at least this time the chances for the cutoff marks are somewhere around 155, not less than that. It can be 1-2 marks more, but it would not be much than that. Okay, so I find English is a bit difficult. If you are good at mathematics till class 10th, you will be able to solve each and every questions very easily, all 18, right? And then GK, if you are very well aware about current affairs and you are good at general science and general knowledge, so you will be able to solve those questions very easily. Not even all, means out of 25 at least you can do 15, 16, means till 20. Okay, if I talk about reasoning, you can take chances, you can take risk and go for that. At least you attempt more than 25 out of 32. Okay, and in English portion, comprehension is little bit tough, and then idioms, phrases are quite easy if you are aware. So prepare, there are few days left still, so please prepare well so that you could get into the SSB, your call comes, and side by side you also keep preparing for service selection board so that you could do better in that, right? And then your medical test will be done later on. So all the best, guys. If you like this video, like. If you dislike, but please do comment why you dislike this video. Subscribe this channel so that in the future if you make these kind of videos, so that you could be benefited, and share it, because there are your friends which are living in rural areas which are not benefited and they are not aware about this video, this kind of videos which is going to help, which is going to build their career. So please share it within your friends. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you one and all the best, guys.